we have to read the question before going to start. It's a diagram is given, curve equation, and a tangent to the curve at the point half and 8. Half and 8 is given here. This is the, so that line, black line, is called the tangent equation here. Tangent, this is the tangent equation, and it is written here in the first question, find the equation of this tangent. First question, give your answer in the form of y equals to mx plus c. So we are going to do that question first. Here in that case, we know in a tangent equation means it is a straight line equation, so we need just gradient. Here point is given half and 8, we can find out gradient. From here we have to differentiate first the curve equation. Curve equation has been given here, y equals to 3 minus 2x to the power 3. We have to differentiate first dy by dx, and it gives us dy by dx 3 minus 2x. We are going to apply here chain rule, square into, if we differentiate inside, we got from here -2. So our final equation is minus 6, and its inside is 3 minus 2x to the power square. We are going to put the value of x, where the x value is given as half. So when x equals to half, our dy by dx is, dy by dx actually gradient of the tangent, and this is the gradient expression of the tangent, minus 6, 3 minus 2 into half square, and is the value minus 6 into, this is actually 2 square is 4, so we got from here minus 24. Now we are able to write our equation of tangent. It's a straight line equation, simple straight line equation. Y minus y1 is our formula, equals to the gradient we got m. This is called the gradient. This is the gradient. My God, this is the only way in a curve equation. We cannot use a coordinate geometry here to get the gradient. We have to differentiate curve equation, and the expression we got dy by dx, this is the expression, gradient expression for the tangent. If I put particular value in that point, you can find out the gradient, and its value is -24. We're going to apply this value here, y minus y1, x minus x1, since it's a straight line equation. So we are plotting here y minus y1 x1, this is the value x1 and y1 here. We're going to use these two values, so y minus 8 equals to, gradient is -24 x minus half. Since it is written here, we have to write the equation in the form of y equals to mx plus c. So we are simplifying more from here, which gives us y equals to 8 minus 24x. I took 8 on the right side, and plus 24 into 12 is 24 into half, we can write here 12. So our final equation from here, we can write y equals to -24x plus 20. This is our equation, y equals to mx plus c. First part of this equation, -24x plus 20 is our equation. Now we are going to find out the second part, and it is written here, find the area of the shaded region. See the shaded region, it is actually under the curved line and above the tangent equation. So we can do one thing. If we draw a line from here to there, we can find out area under the line. I mean area under the line, which is the white part. It's a shape of trapezium, we can say. So in that case, we have to find out the coordinate from here. We already have the tangent equation. If we plot here, if we put the value y-axis means x equals to 0, our tangent equation is y equals to negative 24x plus 20. So when in the y-axis x equals to 0, at that point x equals to 0 definitely. So you can find out the y value. When x equals to 0 or y is 20. So in that case our y value is 20. X equals to 0 and y is 20. So this is the length actually from here to there is 20. So all other information provided. Now we can find out area under the curve till to the x-axis. Always we have to integrate. There is no other way to find out the area under the curve. So area under the curve minus area under the line is the answer of that in this equation. So we are going to write the equation. Shaded area equals to curve equation a is 3 minus 2x to the power 3 dx, and its definitely limit is from 0 to half. We wrote here 0 to half. This is the area under the curve till to the x-axis included with the red part under the curve minus the under the line. It is actually from the trapezium, and this is the length of a is here 20, length of a, and length of b here, b we can say these two sides is parallel 8, y value from here, and this is the height, which is half. Difference between this two value is half. So we are going to plot here, and we know the trapezium area formula always half a plus b into h, half a plus b h. This is the area of the trapezium. We are going to apply here. Under the line actually it formed the area like a trapezium. A plus b value is 20. Another value we can say 8. I took 8 from here and 20 from here, and half a plus b into h is given here half again, because difference between these two is called the h equals to half x value. So this is the total shaded area. We have to integrate and put the point. We are going to integrate now. 3 minus 2x to the power 4 divided by 4 into minus 2. Since coefficient of x is negative 2, we need to multiply. This is the total integration of this question. We are going to put the limit. One limit is half, another one is 0, minus area under the curve, which is actually 1 by 4. If we multiply this half and half, 1 by 4, and inside it is 28. So we can write the equation minus 1 by 8, 3 minus 2x to the power 4, and its limit is half, 0, minus, we can cut out this, and it gives us 7. I think up in 1 or 2 more line we can apply here to get the equation. So if I transfer this equation here, and we're going to put the value half, then it should be minus 1 by 8. Half, if we put here 2 into half is 1, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1, which is 2. So we can say 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4. The another value is 0. If we place here 0, and it should be minus plus 1 by 8, since upper limit minus lower limit, and the value becomes 3 to the power 4, and another one is minus 7. Now we can use our calculator to that calculation. We also can write more simplifier from, if I take 1 by 8 common, then it would be 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4, then minus 7. We can use now calculator now to get the value from here. Our calculator is here. We are going to write whatever we wrote here. So 1 by 10 to 3 to the power 4, then minus 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4, close the bracket, then minus 7, and we got here from here 9 by 8. So we got from here the value is 9 by 8, which we also can write 1 over 1 by 8, and its unit is unit square. This is our answer of this question. Hope guys the way I did this question you understood. Thanks for watching.